Welcome to this exciting session on alkanes, a fundamental chapter in Class 11 Chemistry for G Advanced. Today, we'll dive deep into the fascinating world of alkane properties. We'll start with the basics, then gradually unravel more complex concepts, mechanisms, and industrial applications. Get ready for a four-level journey from easy fundamentals to the most challenging competitive insights. Ready to explore the basic characteristics that define alkanes? Let's begin with their everyday behavior and why they're so common. Alkanes, the simplest hydrocarbons, exhibit distinct physical properties. Lower alkanes are gases, while heavier ones are liquids and solids. Their boiling and melting points increase with molecular mass due to stronger van der Waals forces. However, branching can reduce these points by decreasing surface area for interaction. Alkanes are also less dense than water and, being nonpolar, are insoluble in water but readily dissolve in other nonpolar solvents. These physical traits dictate their uses and behavior in various environments. Chemically, alkanes are known for their relative inertness, earning them the name paraffins, meaning little affinity. This stability stems from their strong, nonpolar carbon-carbon and carbon-hydrogen sigma bonds, which are difficult to break under normal conditions. Despite this inertness, alkanes are highly combustible. They burn in oxygen, releasing significant heat, making them excellent fuels. Complete combustion yields carbon dioxide and water, while incomplete combustion, due to limited oxygen, can produce dangerous carbon monoxide and soot. Understanding these fundamental chemical behaviors is key to grasping their role as energy sources. Now, let's test your understanding of these basic properties. Try these three practice questions. Consider the effects of branching on boiling points, the reasons behind alkane inertness, and how to balance a combustion reaction. Pause the video, solve them, and then check your answers. Let's deepen our understanding of alkanes, moving beyond the basics to explore more intricate details of their physical and chemical behaviors. Delving deeper into physical properties, the rise in boiling point with molecular mass is directly linked to increasing London dispersion forces, which strengthen with more electrons. Branching, by contrast, compacts the molecule, reducing the surface area for these forces, thus lowering the boiling point. For instance, N-pentane boils higher than neopentane. Alkanes are consistently less dense than water, with density increasing slightly with molecular size. These nuanced physical trends are vital for applications like fractional distillation in industry. Regarding combustion, it's not just about burning, it's a highly exothermic redox reaction, making alkanes primary fuels. The general stoichiometric equation for complete combustion of any alkane allows us to predict product ratios. For example, methane's combustion releases 890 kilojoules per mole, underscoring its energy efficiency. Beyond combustion, alkanes can undergo free radical halogenation with chlorine or bromine under UV light. This substitution reaction replaces hydrogen with a halogen, following a specific reactivity order, fluorine being explosive, and iodine being sluggish. This reaction proceeds via a fascinating free radical mechanism. The free radical halogenation mechanism unfolds in three critical stages. First, initiation, where UV light homolytically cleaves the halogen molecule, creating highly reactive free radicals. Next, propagation is a self-sustaining chain reaction. A halogen radical abstracts hydrogen from the alkane, forming an alkyl radical, which then reacts with another halogen molecule to produce a halocane and regenerate a halogen radical. Finally, termination brings the chain to an end when two radicals combine, forming stable molecules. This stepwise process explains how alkanes, despite their inertness, can undergo such transformations. Time to tackle some medium-level questions. These will challenge you to apply your knowledge of alkane properties, including the effects of branching, combustion stoichiometry, and the initial steps of free radical halogenation. Take your time to think through each problem and formulate your answers. Good luck! Now, let's elevate our understanding. We are moving into the hard level, where we'll dissect complex mechanisms and theoretical underpinnings of alkane properties. At this level, we appreciate the finer details of physical properties. Boiling points typically rise by 20 to 30 degrees Celsius for each added CH group, a direct consequence of increasing London dispersion forces. Branching's impact is profound. Compact, branched alkanes have less surface area, leading to weaker intermolecular forces and lower boiling points, a critical factor in petroleum refining. Melting points, however, show less regular trends, with even-numbered alkanes often packing more efficiently in crystal lattices, leading to slightly higher melting points than their odd-numbered counterparts. The free radical halogenation mechanism is intricate, driven by bond dissociation energies. The stability of alkyl radicals, tertiary, secondary, primary, dictates the ease of hydrogen abstraction. This leads to regoselectivity. 3 degrees hydrogens are most reactive. Crucially, chlorination is less selective but faster, producing mixtures, while bromination is highly selective but slower, preferentially reacting at the most substituted carbon. This difference is explained by the Hammond postulate, linking transition state character to reaction exothermicity or endothermicity. Bromination's later, more product-like transition state makes it more sensitive to radical stability. Beyond halogenation, pyrolysis, or cracking, is vital. This process breaks larger alkanes into smaller ones, alkenes, and hydrogen at high temperatures, often with catalysts. It's crucial for converting heavy crude oil fractions into gasoline and valuable alkenes for polymers, involving homolytic C to C bond cleavage and radical reactions. Furthermore, alkanes exhibit conformational isomerism due to C to C bond rotation. Ethane shows staggered and eclipsed conformations, differing in torsional strain. Butane's anti-gauche and eclipsed forms introduce steric strain, influencing their relative stability and energy profiles. Understanding these conformations is key to predicting molecular shapes and reactivities. It's time for the hard-level practice questions. These problems will challenge you to apply detailed mechanisms, predict reaction outcomes based on selectivity, analyze physical property trends, and understand conformational analysis. These questions are designed to test your analytical and problem-solving skills for JEE Advanced. Take your time, draw structures, and explain your reasoning carefully. Welcome to the hardest level. Here, we'll delve into the most advanced concepts, competitive depths, and engineering insights related to alkane properties. Prepare for a deep dive into the underlying science. At the highest level, the energetics of halogenation reveal profound insights. Fluorination is explosively exothermic because both propagation steps are highly favorable, forming exceptionally strong HF bonds. Iodination, conversely, is endothermic and reversible due to the weak HI bond, often requiring an oxidizing agent to proceed. The Hammond postulate helps explain this. Exothermic reactions have early, reactant-like transition states, while endothermic ones have late, product-like transition states, making them more sensitive to radical stability. This principle is key to understanding the differing selectivities of halogens. Quantitative selectivity is governed by bond dissociation energies. Lower BDE for tertiary CH bonds means easier abstraction. While radical stability is paramount, steric hindrance can also subtly influence reactivity in crowded molecules. This leads to the reactivity-selectivity principle. More reactive species like chlorine radicals are less selective, yielding product mixtures, whereas less reactive bromine radicals are highly selective, favoring the most substituted positions. Industrially, catalytic cracking and reforming are critical. Catalytic cracking uses zeolite catalysts to convert large alkanes into valuable branched gasoline components and alkenes, boosting octane ratings. Reforming, often with platinum catalysts, transforms straight-chain alkanes into branched isomers or aromatics, further enhancing fuel quality and anti-knock properties. The synthetic utility of free radical halogenation is limited. Its lack of regoselectivity, especially with chlorine, and propensity for polysubstitution make it unsuitable for precise laboratory synthesis of specific halolcanes. Chemists often resort to multi-step synthesis starting from more reactive functional groups like alkenes or alkynes for targeted functionalization. Understanding combustion kinetics is also vital. While highly exothermic, alkenes require an ignition source due to high activation energy. Flame propagation rates depend on fuel-air ratios, temperature, and pressure. Crucially, incomplete combustion is a major environmental concern, producing toxic carbon monoxide and soot, highlighting the need for efficient engine design and catalytic converters to ensure complete oxidation to carbon dioxide and water. Finally, let's consider the fundamental role of intermolecular forces. London dispersion forces, the sole forces in alkanes, strengthen with increasing molecular size and polarizability. Larger electron clouds are more easily distorted, leading to stronger temporary dipoles and thus higher boiling points. Branching reduces the surface area for these interactions, weakening LDFs and lowering boiling points. For gaseous alkanes, critical temperature and pressure dictate liquefaction conditions, essential for storage and transport. These advanced understandings of physical properties, reaction energetics, industrial processes, and synthetic limitations collectively provide a comprehensive perspective on alkanes, critical for G-advanced success and real-world chemical engineering applications. Now, challenge yourself with the first set of hardest level questions. These problems demand a deep understanding of reaction energetics, quantitative selectivity, and mechanistic details. Apply your knowledge of BDEs, the Hammond postulate, and industrial processes. Pause the video, work through these complex scenarios, and refine your problem-solving approach. Good luck! Here are the remaining hardest level questions. These will further test your comprehensive grasp of alkane properties, including the limitations of synthetic methods, combustion kinetics, and the nuanced effects of molecular structure on physical properties. Analyze each question carefully, synthesize your knowledge, and strive for precise, detailed answers. This is your chance to solidify your expertise for G-Advanced. Take your time and demonstrate your mastery. That brings us to the end of our in-depth exploration of alkane properties for G-Advanced. We've covered everything from basic physical traits to complex reaction mechanisms, industrial applications, and advanced theoretical concepts. Remember, consistent practice and a clear understanding of fundamental principles are your keys to success. For more such comprehensive educational content and to master your G-Advanced preparation, visit synapse.omaps.in. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for regular updates and more insightful lessons. Keep learning, keep growing.